Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanjeev, and on this very video I will show you exactly what I did step by step for me to start generating significant amount of money. I'm talking about within the very short amount of time using the same strategy. I've been able to build up another income stream using my YouTube automation channel, right? There's many people telling you that different strategy on how to actually earn more money from your YouTube automation channel. But on this video, I'll be sharing with you something which I have been testing and I've been getting a great amount of success, right? So if you stick with me till the end, you'll find out exactly what I do from beginning to the end, right? And also if you stick till the end, at the end of the video, I'll be also revealing a cool little way that I'm personally using that I'll be passing to you. So without further ado, let's get into the video, right? So as you can see, this is one of the channels that's exactly doing the same strategy, right? But the way they're actually earning money is not very different to what I'm going to be telling you, right? So this channel have got only 5 videos, right? You see, this channel is literally started getting momentum, right? 54,000, 298,000 guys, 298,000, 90,000, 27,000, 3,000, 4,300, sorry. And this channel is all about telling people different ways how they can be actually earning money from different online business, right? But the one that I actually do and personally I use is a business model that actually goes hand in hand with your YouTube automation channel, right? So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you. So if I click on this video, it open up this actual place that you can actually play the video, right? And if you go down here in the description, you can see they have put a link to their website, right? I've clicked on this website and it goes to some loan or car website they have, and they're actually promoting this through this from their YouTube channel, right? Which is very easy for anyone to do, right? It doesn't take much time for you to do that, but what actually most people are doing is they're putting affiliate link, but they're not doing the right way, right? And I'll be actually sharing with you what are the things that you need to be doing for you to get the most amount of results from whatever you're building, right? So if I go to this website, right, this is exactly what you need to do, right? What you need to do is promote a offer through your YouTube channel, which you're going to be getting paid recurring commission. I'm not talking about using something that a customer buys once and you don't make money from it. Like you need to find something that's already generating money for you, like on autopilot, and month after month that income will start to build up and have the compound effect. So just in case something happens on your channel and your channel might get demonetized, your channel might have copyright issues, right? Using this strategy, that way you can build 2 income stream at the same time, right? So, and let me share with you what I've been able to do using this same exact strategy, right? You can see this is a business model which goes hand in hand with YouTube automation. Like I'm not paying for anything. YouTube is literally pushing my content, right? Because I'm putting out good content and YouTube is really pushing out my content. And when you have a good content, people actually go down on your description and they literally click that link, right? Because they love your content. They want to know what you're actually doing. And pretty much this is how much I've actually earned just within a very short amount of time, right? So you can see my highest day was $820, guys. You see, $800, right? And this income stream just keeps coming. Like this is a recurring income, like, and within a very short amount of time, I was able to do this, right? And I believe anyone can do this business model, right? Which goes hand in hand with your YouTube automation channel, right? So this is exactly what you need to do, is create a channel that's like similar to this, or it can be any channel, right? It can be like a motivation channel, it can be a luxury channel, it can be a car channel. But what you need to do at the end of the video, if I go to the end of the video, what people, they don't actually do at the end of the video, you need to make another secondary video and attach that video in that, telling people what they're actually going to, if they want to make money online. Go down in the description section, click the link and enter your details, and that way you can start generating significant amount of money, right? And make a video and also attach in your video right at the end in all the videos, right? And also you can at the end just point the arrow down, so that way people actually go in your description and then click the link, right? And this is exactly what you need to do. Is if you're watching this video, you need to go to my channel, right? Below this video, you need to click this link, because I have promoted different offers, and this is the best one that I've actually found and works like a charm, right? Many people, they actually promote like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and all these different affiliate marketing that they're promoting offers. But this is the very, very best one, because the in-depth support that you're going to get, and also you start to earn recurring commissions like month after month. And that is what I was able to do within a very short amount of time, right? This is $3,800 just utilizing this free method, right? And literally what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link. Once you click on this link, you're going to go to this capture page, right? You're going to enter your name and your details, and make sure, please, put your very, very best email address in here, because I'll be sending you a personal email from me. It will be from me, and it will actually have all the details in there, so you can know what this is all about, right? So once you click on this, then what you're going to do, I'll just do it here so you can see what I'm actually doing, right? I'll put my email address here so you can see what will happen after you have put your email address, right? Once you put your email, just stay with me, guys. This is exciting for me, right? What you're going to do is go right at the bottom and then click this box. You see this box? Special offer. This is just a special offer the company is just putting out, right? Get an already profitable $1.6 million business for just $25, right? So imagine you put in $25 and within a very short amount of time, you get $3,800, right? Which is just, like, to me, this is just, people going to be missing out if they don't jump on this offer, right? So once you click this button, it will actually take you to this page. And this page will actually tell you what the business is all about, the recurring monthly commissions for, right? So you can read everything here, but in case if you're thinking like this is something that's going to be taking a lot of time, right? Like for me, I've just said this once and it's just running on autopilot, right? I'm putting out videos, which my team is already putting out videos every single 4 or 5 videos a week per channel. And all I'm doing is just putting a link at the bottom, and then on every video I'm attaching at the end what they're actually going to get if they click on the link, and if they want to start getting recurring commissions month after month, right? So this is everything that you see. And also you see here that this is the amazing part. Just one sale can turn into $74,000 per year, right? Just think about it, right? Just think about what this income will do for you, right? Amazing, amazing system. Like, I wouldn't have known until my friend told me about this. I didn't even know this loophole, how people are actually generating money on autopilot, right? And I know a guy personally, right? I know him personally, and he hasn't done anything with this online business for about 9 months, and still he's getting paid $20,000 every month, because it's recurring commissions, like month after month you start getting paid, right? And that's what he is being able to achieve. And I'm also doing this, and I'm really excited. That's why I'm so excited to share with you this opportunity, right? And if you might be saying, oh, I'm living in a third world country, like I'm living in India, I'm living in Nigeria, I'm living in Africa, I am living in some third world country, West Indies, Cameroon, right? I'm living in whatever it is, like probably United States, Canada. This is not third world country, but I'm just telling you, this business you can literally do from anywhere in the world, right? You don't need to be in a certain country. As long as you have access to the internet, you can literally do this business, right? So all you need to do, once you have read all the information, what you need to do is click this button here, and it will open up this page here, right? But before I tell you a bit more, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, come on, subscribe to my channel. Come on, you can do that. So once you do that, let me share with you one more thing. That what you're going to be utilizing once you go ahead with the process, right? Let me share with you. Not so long ago, I dropped a video on my channel. That one video made me $1,500. And this is the exact software that I actually used to be able to generate $1,500, right? You can go, I'll probably put in a pin comment, like you can see it now, right? $1,500 from one video, right? You can see there, you can click on it, right? And this is exactly the tool that I use to write my script, right? This is very different to chatbot, ChatGPT. This is mainly designed for content creation, right? So I'll also leave a link for this amazing software in the description, so you can go and click and get access to it. And this is the one that actually helped me to get, and I've been using it, and I'm also getting great results from this amazing software, because what it does, if your script is really, really awesome, YouTube will start to push out your content. You'll get great audience retention, right? So that's what I was able to do on my faceless channels, right? So, and once you do that, right, you can see my results. This is all real results. I'm not making any sort of numbers, right? And so going back to this, right, I'm really excited. And once you go through that, and you want to put your best email details, because you're going to get information sent on your inbox. So make sure you put your best email details, and pretty much what you need to do is fill all the correct details in here, right? So you can start generating income like me, right? You know, 3,000. Imagine you have a channel that's bringing in $1,000, $800 per video. You know, just from doing this free method that I'm telling you. This is going to be a free method, right? So going back to what I was telling you, address, come on. I'm really so excited. So you need to put on or your address here, whatever country you're living. Like I'm living in Australia, so I'll put Australia. If you're living in Cameroon, if you're living in India, you're living in West Indies, you're living in Africa, right? All the African brothers, hello. Come on, give me a thumbs up. You're getting good value out of this, right? I'm taking out my time, which I can be busy making money. I'm making a great content for you. So please give me a thumbs up if you're getting some value out of this, right? So once you do that, you need to put your card details, right? All the details in here. And I wanted to give you a bonus. Remember the bonus I was telling you about, right? This is the bonus that you're going to get, and it is from the company, right? Check this box below to add this 100% free bonus. Let me tell you what the bonus is, right? You don't need to get it, but I normally advise my team members to get it just to test drive, like see how you go, right? So pretty much what it is, it's actually telling you how to actually get people inside your funnel, right? And it's all free training. So click this box here, but if you're not sure about anything, I'll leave a link in the description for my Facebook profile, and you can ask me questions, right? I'm always open to helping people out, right? Click on this box and then go down and do the checkout, like simple as that. Once you have done that, you will get all the information sent to your inbox, right? The password and everything. And then what you need to do is just start promoting this offer, right? The offer will be like this is the one I'm promoting. So you get your affiliate link from here. And then beneath all the videos you're going to be creating on your channel, you will be putting the link to your actual funnel. And we also have a done for you funnel, right? For example, this funnel here, it's all done for you funnel. So you can plug and play, right? You're going to be sending people on your funnel, and then from there they will start receiving the emails, and then you will start getting paid on autopilot while you're sleeping, right? Which is very exciting. And Warren Buffett said that if you're not generating money while you're sleeping, you'll be working your whole entire life, right? So I bet you don't want to be working your whole entire life, right? So you're probably like me, I don't want to be working for someone. And that's the reason I jumped into online business. And you've seen my results, you've seen my YouTube channels, right? But this is a new exciting thing that I'm doing that I believe everyone should get into this, right? I don't know how long this will be available for. So you want to get in, right? Click the link below and then jump in, and I'll be here to help you and support you and guide you every single step of the way, right? So you ready for this? You ready? Right? So, and the great bonus is you're going to get my support. You're going to get the company support, right? But you don't need to do the support, right? I've told you exact strategy, what I'm doing to get the results, right? You don't need to attend any masterminds, all of that, but it's all here for you as well, right? And then for your YouTube video script, you can just use this free software. Instead of you paying for your script writer, you can just come here, drop your YouTube, make me a YouTube script on making money online. Boom, boom. And then it will come up with a great, script. So rather than you paying your script writer $50, $100, $200, I don't know how much you're paying, $5, right? This is literally free for you, right? So, which is just amazing. And so I'll leave all the detail in the section below. Beneath this video, go and click it and watch all the details. Reach out to me. My name is Sanjeev. I'll also leave a link for my Facebook profile. You can just reach out to me anytime. I am free to help you out. And then I'll be talking to you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all. Bye for now. Hello, welcome.